quick tip, I got one of these Troy Bilt Pressure washers with a Briggs & Stratton on it. And I had a customer come in, said no spark, and he told me he had checked everything, replaced the spark plug. When he went to check the spark, it didn't work. Well, he'd never used these before, so it was a pretty quick fix right here in this lever. Most people think there's an on-off switch of some sort, but if this switch right here is pointed forward, it cuts everything. You have to have this switch back to run this unit. You will not have spark. And most people think it's got a release right here. You know when it's released is this spring is loose. When this is back, the spring has tension. So just a quick tip, if you ever see one of these Briggs pressure cleaners, pressure washers, that's your on-off switch. Forward is off, backwards is on. Enjoy your weekend.